Hi everyone, first of all I want to apologize for this video being so late. I was watching Netflix and time just got away from me. So what did I do today? I watched Netflix, I hung out with family, and tried to get my eyes to stop itching and watering because they've been doing that all day. And let's go see what baby's done all day. Because she's probably done more than me. Right? Right? Did you do more than me? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, pretty girl. Why do you always do that? You always shove your bed over there. You want your blanket on? You want your blanket? Pretty baby. It's a pretty baby. Yeah, it's a pretty baby. You know I'm gonna do it, so just let me do it. There you go. Now we've got a blanket. You also got part of my blanket. You can't have my blanket, you can only have yours. Fun fact, this blanket that she has was supposed to be temporary until I got her a new one, but I haven't got her a new one yet, so I guess this is like permanently hers. I hope that you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're brand new, ring that notification bell, make sure it's set to all notifications, leave a comment if you have something to say. Like my Facebook page and follow me on Twitter. Both of these things are Steffi2010 and can be found on my YouTube page as well as in the description. And also in the description you can find a link to add closed captions and translate my videos into other languages. And regarding my YouTube page, it can be found below the About section. And P.S. it has been raining literally all day long. And, so that's pretty much why I haven't done anything. I've been lazy today. Watching Netflix and being lazy. Anyway, bye guys.